Welcome back to Mentor. In this video I will be sharing the new data entry project which I got on Upwork. So let's begin, guys. So here is the client instruction. As you guys already know that we have started a complete series on data entry. So this is going to be video number 11, okay, and here is the client instruction for this project. So he's saying that we need to gather a specific information from the provided website and organize it systematically, okay, and then he said that company name, address, email address, phone number, website URL, and Facebook page, okay, and here is the URL, guys. So I have already opened the website. Here you can see, guys, so this is the data which we will be collecting. So first you will need to copy this URL, guys. So I will provide this URL in the first comment, okay, yeah, in the description. So you will need to open this website, guys, okay, and now it's time to collect data from it. So here is, guys, you can see there are 126 result, okay. So the data are not too much and the project are not so very big, but still I want to show you and share with you the process. So first, guys, here you can see this is the page, the first businesses which I will be collecting. So I will just open the first business, guys, okay. And I also want to tell you guys, I try a few tools to collect data from it automatically, but it didn't work. So we will be doing this work, guys, manually, because it's not possible to extract data with any tool here from this website, because some website they don't allow to scrape data from them, okay. So then you will need to do it manually, but also the project are not very big, so it's better to do it manually, okay. So here is, guys, the business name. So here you can see this is the business name. We will be copying this one, and here is the location address, guys, okay, and then the Facebook page here also, and this one is their phone number. So if I just click on it, here you can see it's their contact number. So we will be copying the contact number also, and here is their email address, guys. So if I just click on the email address, you can see, guys, we got this type of result. So we are not getting the email address, we are only getting the farm. So we don't need this, we need the email address. So to copy the email address, we will need to go to their Facebook page, go to their website. So here is also their website, guys. So I will just open their website too, and now from there, guys, we will copy and paste their email address, because their email address is available in their website, okay. So now here is the website URL, guys. So if I just go down, okay, and now here you can see, guys, is their email address. So I will just copy the email from here and then we'll paste it there, okay. So the first entry will be done, guys, when we follow the same instruction, okay, for the first one. And if I just go down here, you can see this is business number 2. So I will also open the business number 2 just to show you the process. So I will remove the old one, okay, and now let's see. Now, guys, here you can see this is their business name, okay, and then their location address, Facebook page, contact number, and email. If I just click on their email address, guys, you can see we got this far. So we need their email address, okay. So to collect the email address, you will need to go to their website, and from there you will need to copy their email address, okay. So here you can see their website. If I just click on their website, guys, okay, so their website will be open, and from there you can collect the email address also, okay. So if I just go down here, okay, let me go down, and also, guys, here is their email address, you can see. And also I have a free extension which you can use to extract any one email address from the website, and you can see this tool is also extract their email address, so you can just copy and paste it there, okay. So also, guys, when you complete the complete entry from the first page, okay, then you will need to go down here, okay, go down, okay, and then now you can see this is page number 2. So then you will need to click on page number 2, and then you will need to go to page number 2, guys, and now you will need to copy data from this page, okay. Now you can see this is 21 leads, okay, business, and if I just go down here, you can see 22, 23. So in this way, guys, there are 100 around 136 26 result. Okay, so your job is to collect this all data and the project will be complete. And I also want to tell you that I try to use some tool with it so that I can automatically script the data, but it didn't work. Okay, so we will be collecting this data one by one, and I hope you already understand the process. So I will provide you this link in the video descriptions. Yeah, maybe first comment. Okay, so just open the link and start working on this project. And also, if you haven't watched the previous video, please also watch it, where I share with you different tool and different projects so that you learn the complete process of data entry. Okay, so anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video.